How to fix Messenger problems on Messenger. Today guys, I'm gonna show you the correct way how to fix this. Just watch this video until the end. So first guys, you will just go to settings of your phone and open it, and then you will go to apps or applications. Then you will search for Messenger. When you found Messenger, you will just open it and go to storage, and you have to go to clear data, click OK, and click on clear cache, and go back again and click on first tab, click OK, and you will back to your home page to Play Store or App Store and update Snapchat as Messenger, again. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.